Khadc chairman Lamprang Bla hopes that the upcoming Monolith festival, scheduled to be held at the Khadc Heritage Village in February, will be on a grand scale as compared to the previous edition of the festival. While speaking to a section of reporters, Bla said that the Khadc has chosen Mauflang to host the festival since the area was already famous due to the presence of Laukentang. Bla, who is also the local MDC of Mauflang, said that he is happy to see that the work on the preparation of the festival is going on. It may be mentioned that the festival was last conducted in 2016 and was halted due to fund constraints. However, the Khadc is collaborating with the Tourism Department of the state to host the festival in a bid to highlight the Khadc cultures and traditions.
Yo so ya rajo ka isi apo jilam yo apanyat mat pelong no di ka Monolith festival nomor ba kani ka long menswa usne marjar khatlai baja khan rio te laslem ma na kajia la jikrimen ngana ka ko ke isi la pau kani bar ho ke isi barim sim kia ban pelong ni Monolith festival terim tai por hai ba apanyat la ban penyat seberang bahan di Khadc badan Monolith festival.
The three